The drone market is buzzing with excitement yet again as leaks about the DJI Mini5 Pro start surfacing online. And this time, it's not just about the features or the design, but the leaked pricing details for 2025 that have everyone talking. DJI, the global leader in consumer and professional drone technology, has a reputation for redefining what's possible in compact aerial imaging tools, and the Mini5 Pro appears to be no exception. While the Mini 4 Pro impressed with its lightweight build, 4K video, advanced sensors, and competitive price point, insiders now claim that the DJI Mini5 Pro will take things several steps further, and possibly at a higher cost. But the real question enthusiasts and professionals alike are asking is whether the leaked prices are justified and whether waiting for the Mini5 Pro in 2025 is the smart move. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The DJI Mini lineup has always been about striking a balance between portability and powerful imaging performance. Starting with the original DJI Mavic Mini, DJI essentially created a new category of ultralight drones under 250 grams, allowing users to fly without the heavy restrictions placed on larger drones. With each generation, DJI added smarter features. The Mini 2 improved range and video quality, the Mini 3 Pro introduced a redesigned gimbal and vertical shooting, and the Mini 4 Pro refined flight safety with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Now, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be the culmination of all those refinements, possibly becoming the most advanced compact drone yet. According to multiple leaks shared across drone forums, Chinese supply chains, and even European retailers that accidentally listed the product early, the DJI Mini 5 Pro price for 2025 might start at $1,099 for the base package, while the Fly More combo could cost upwards of $1,349 to $1,399. This represents a noticeable jump compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which had a starting price of around $759. The speculation is that this increase is tied to several new features that DJI plans to introduce, including upgraded camera capabilities, extended flight times, and possibly even integration with AI-assisted flight modes that go beyond what current drones offer. Some analysts suggest that DJI is pushing the Mini 5 Pro into a more premium segment. The Mini series has traditionally been aimed at beginners and hobbyists, but the pricing strategy indicates DJI may be targeting semi-professionals who want a travel-friendly drone without sacrificing pro-level features. Potential upgrades, such as a larger 1-inch sensor, 6K video recording, better dynamic range, and improved wind resistance, would naturally justify higher costs. There are also reports suggesting that DJI could integrate more advanced transmission technology with O4.5 or O5 transmission, ensuring ultra-stable connections even in congested environments. To understand whether these leaked prices make sense, it's worth comparing the DJI Mini 5 Pro to its predecessors. The Mini 3 Pro set a new standard with its vertical shooting mode and 4K 60 video, while the Mini 4 Pro introduced omnidirectional obstacle sensors, something rarely seen in such a lightweight drone. If DJI takes the Mini 5 Pro even further with 360-degree avoidance, 6K video, and extended battery life exceeding 40 minutes, then a price jump to over $1,000 would make sense in today's market. For reference, the DJI Air 3, which sits in a higher tier,